Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your one-stop channel for all things travel. Today, we're hopping over to the smallest state in the U.S., Rhode Island. Nestled in the New England region, Rhode Island may be small in size, but don't let that fool you. It's a vibrant state bursting with culture, history, and natural beauty. Despite being only about 48 miles long and 37 miles wide, it's a state that's big on character. From its stunning coastline, dotted with some of the country's most beautiful beaches, to its rich maritime heritage, Rhode Island is a gem waiting to be discovered. The state is also known for its historic landmarks, world-class seafood, and charming coastal towns. And let's not forget Providence, the creative capital that offers an eclectic mix of the old and new. So buckle up as we explore Rhode Island, the smallest but mighty state. First stop, the opulent Newport's mansions. Imagine stepping back in time to an era of unrivaled luxury and grandeur. That's the experience Newport's mansions offer. These architectural marvels, dating back to the Gilded Age, showcase the opulence of America's elite during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Among these, standouts include the Breakers, a 70-room Italian Renaissance-style palazzo, and Marble House, a tribute to the grandeur of Versailles. Each mansion tells a unique story, reflecting the tastes and ambitions of their wealthy owners. They are more than just beautiful buildings. They are historical landmarks, each holding a piece of the past, offering a glimpse into a bygone era of American history. The intricate details, the grand rooms, the stunning views, every aspect of these mansions is designed to impress. So come along and lose yourself in the grandeur and beauty of these magnificent estates. Newport's mansions, where history meets luxury. Next, we dive into Rhode Island's rich sailing and maritime heritage. Known as the Ocean State, Rhode Island boasts a long and storied history with the sea. From the indigenous Narragansett people who navigated these waters in canoes, to the European settlers who built the first shipyards, generations of Rhode Islanders have made their living on the ocean. The state's sailing legacy is perhaps best symbolized by the America's Cup, the oldest international sailing competition, which was held in Newport for over 50 years. The city, often referred to as the sailing capital of the world, is home to the prestigious New York Yacht Club and a host of other sailing institutions. As for maritime landmarks, the Southeast Lighthouse on Block Island and the Newport Harbor Lighthouse stand as proud reminders of Rhode Island's nautical past and present. All these elements come together to make Rhode Island a true sailor's paradise. Now, let's whet our appetites with Rhode Island's seafood scene. A gastronomic adventure awaits you in this small state, packed with a bounty of the sea's finest offerings. The Ocean State is famous for its seafood dishes, with clam chowder and stuffies, large clams stuffed with a blend of clam, breadcrumbs, and spices, taking center stage. Let's not forget the quintessential Rhode Island staple, clam cakes. Picture this: deep-fried, doughy balls brimming with chopped clam, served hot, crispy, and golden. Pair it with a bowl of creamy, comforting chowder, and you have yourself the perfect seaside meal. Seafood markets abound in Rhode Island, offering a wide array of fresh catch daily. From shrimps to scallops, oysters to lobsters, the selection is unmatched. Restaurants, from the upscale to the charmingly rustic, serve these ocean treasures in innovative and delectable ways. So, if your taste buds are craving a maritime feast, look no further. Rhode Island, a seafood lover's dream. Moving on, we find ourselves in the heart of Rhode Island, Providence. This city is a vibrant blend of the old and the new, where historical charm meets modern flair. The city's attractions are as diverse as its culture, with stunning architecture, lush green parks, and dynamic art scene. Take a stroll through the historic Benefit Street, a mile-long district that houses one of the highest concentrations of colonial buildings in the country. Or immerse yourself in the thriving art scene at the Rhode Island School of Design Museum, where you can feast your eyes on more than 86,000 works of art. Delight your taste buds with the city's culinary wonders. From farm-to-table restaurants to the iconic food trucks, Providence offers a gastronomic journey like no other. And let's not forget about the Water Fire, an award-winning sculpture by Barnaby Evans that lights up the city's rivers and captures the essence of Providence's spirit. Providence, the soul of Rhode Island. Next, we soak up the sun on Rhode Island's beautiful beaches. Despite its small size, Rhode Island boasts a stunning 40 miles of coastline, each beach with its own distinct charm. Easton's Beach, also known as First Beach, is a local favorite. It's not just about the sun and sand here, but also about the carousel that's been spinning since the 1950s, bringing joy to generations. Then there's Narragansett Town Beach, a surfer's paradise where the waves challenge and excite. And who can forget Misquamicut State Beach, with its long stretch of sand and family-friendly atmosphere? Each beach offers something unique, from serene landscapes to bustling boardwalks, making each visit a new experience. But it's not just what's on the surface that makes these beaches special. It's the sense of community, the shared laughter, the feeling of the sun on your skin as you create lasting memories. Rhode Island's beaches, where relaxation meets beauty. Now, let's wander through Rhode Island's charming coastal towns. Each town, a unique tapestry woven with vibrant history, quaint architecture, and the irresistible allure of the ocean. First up, the picturesque Narragansett, a town of stunning beaches and iconic landmarks like the towers, a testament to its grand past. Then there's the laid-back Wickford Village, where time seems to slow down. Its historic houses and art galleries are a delight for history buffs and art enthusiasts alike. A little up north, Bristol, known for its patriotic spirit, boasts of America's oldest 4th of July celebration. Its vibrant streets, dotted with boutiques and eateries, exude a warm, welcoming vibe. And who could forget about Little Compton, a peaceful retreat? It's cherished for its farmlands, vineyards, and the scenic Saconnet Point. Each town, with its own charm, carries the essence of Rhode Island, a perfect blend of historical richness, cultural vibrancy, and coastal beauty. Charming coastal towns, the hidden gems of Rhode Island. Next, we venture to the serene Block Island. A jewel in the crown of Rhode Island, this tranquil retreat is a place where time slows down and the beauty of nature takes center stage. With its miles of pristine beaches and rolling green hills, Block Island is a haven for those seeking peace and quiet. Among the island's many attractions, the Southeast Lighthouse and the North Lighthouse stand as proud reminders of the island's maritime past. These storied structures are not just picturesque landmarks, they are also rich in history, each with fascinating tales to tell. The island's natural beauty is awe-inspiring. From the Mohegan Bluffs, where breathtaking ocean views await, to the serene Great Salt Pond, a perfect spot for birdwatching. Every corner of Block Island is a testament to nature's bounty. Whether you're exploring the quaint shops in Old Harbor or simply taking in the island's tranquil scenery, Block Island offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. Block Island, Rhode Island's tranquil retreat. Now, let's indulge in Rhode Island's unusual food and drinks. When it comes to culinary delights, Rhode Island surely knows how to impress. The Ocean State is known for its quirky and delectable dishes. Have you ever tried a hot wiener? No, it's not just any hot dog. Traditionally served with mustard, onions, celery salt, and a special meat sauce, it's a must-try when you're in town. And let's not forget about Del's Lemonade, a frozen treat that's a local favorite on hot summer days. Quench your thirst with coffee milk, the official state drink. It's a simple concoction of milk and sweet coffee syrup, but oh so delicious. The best place to sample these treats? Head to the bustling food scene of Providence. There, you'll find a mix of traditional diners and innovative eateries serving these local specialties. Rhode Island, a gastronomic adventure. Finally, we step back in time at the Old State House. Nestled in the heart of downtown Providence, this grand edifice has stood witness to Rhode Island's rich history. Built in 1759, it's one of the oldest surviving state houses in the nation. This isn't just a building, it's a testament to Rhode Island's journey as a state. Here, you can almost hear the echoes of debates that shaped the state, see the shadows of lawmakers pacing the halls. It's where Rhode Island's Declaration of Independence was read aloud, a pivotal moment etched into the very fabric of this place. The Old State House is a living, breathing chronicle of Rhode Island's past. This sturdy, elegant building is more than just bricks and mortar. It's a symbol of Rhode Island's resilience and spirit. It stands as a proud reminder of where Rhode Islanders have come from and where they're headed. The Old State House, where history comes alive. And that wraps up our tour of Rhode Island with Traveling Kangaroo. We've journeyed through the smallest state in the United States, filled with a rich and vibrant history. We've marveled at the opulence of Newport's mansions and embraced the wind on a sailboat, celebrating Rhode Island's maritime heritage. We've savored local seafood, explored the cultural hub of Providence, and basked in the sun on Rhode Island's stunning beaches. We've discovered the charm of coastal towns and the allure of Block Island. And we've tasted some of the most unusual food and drinks unique to this little gem of a state. We've walked through history itself at the Old State House, a true testament to Rhode Island's enduring spirit. Each of these elements makes Rhode Island a truly unique destination, a place where small size meets grand experiences. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more exciting travel content, and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com. Until next time, keep exploring.